So this is how to change the engine air filter for a 2023 Hyundai Palisade Calligraphy. I'll pop open the hood here. And right inside you can see that this is a air filter compartment. I'm just going to pull this to yank it open, and in here this is the air filter. It has two pins at both ends that you need to push down. This first one comes down and this other one goes down, and you can hold it now from here and just take it right out. As you can see, this air filter is pretty messed up. It's quite dirty, and there's even some dirt inside, which I'm going to vacuum out this air compartment before I put in the new one. With vacuuming all done, I'm going to now put in my new air filter. It's going to be the same orientation as the old one, the old dirty one. This is the new one. So I'll just slide it right into the chamber. Fits right in, and I close the air filter, and that's it, we're done.